Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to add mail now. First, confirm account type and have credentials handy, including any two-step codes. Open Outlook, go to File and choose Add Account. Enter the email address and let Outlook attempt auto-discovery. This saves time when server settings match. If auto setup fails, choose Manual Setup and pick Exchange, IMAP, or POP3. Make sure you know incoming/outgoing server names and ports before proceeding, so the next step is quick and precise. Once the account is added, verify connection type and adjust server settings manually if needed. IMAP with 993 SSL/TLS and SMTP 587 startles is common. Set your display name and reply to control outgoing identity, then create a signature. Next, configure sync settings. Enable cached exchange mode or set IMAP folder subscriptions so only needed folders sync. Also set send/receive frequency to balance immediate. Finish by sending a test message and verifying it appears in sent and the recipient gets it. Also check incoming mail lands in inbox. Enable modern authentication or encryption when available to protect credentials, and update any app-specific passwords if used. If you encounter problems, first check server ports and firewall exceptions, then verify username and password. If issues persist, remove the account and re-add it to clear cached errors. And finally, consult your admin for server-side blocks. That one step often resolves stubborn sync failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.